The anime industry is full of fantastic horror animes for everyone to watch. Here are the scariest animes of all time that fans will surely love. While some mediums are more popular than others, horror has come in many different forms. Most might have been introduced to a genre through movies like Sinister or Halloween. Some might have been introduced to the greatest work of Junji Ito, who has created terrifying work like Uzumaki. But the anime industry is full of fantastic horror animes for everyone to watch, some of which might only have horror elements, but they are exceptional in their own way. So in this video we are going over top 10 best horror animes to watch for any spooky occasions. So without any further ado, let's start with our video. On the 10th number, the anime is Akira. Akira is the anime sensation created by Katsuhi Otomo. Although the original manga held many different elements that were missing from the anime, it is still incredibly well made and influential to many films, being referenced in different animes, as the direction was also done by Otomo. Although it is primarily a science fiction tale, many of the gory elements are very horror-like, with some of the elements being present in other places. Currently on my anime list, Akira gained 8.16 rating overall thanks to its fantastic anime and art direction. I have already made a video about top 10 anime movies to watch which have the greatest animation quality of all time. So if you would like to watch that video, you can click on the upper right corner and click on that I button and watch that video. On the 9th number, the anime name is Berserk Ogon Jidai Hen 3 Korin, also known as Berserk The Golden Age Arc 3, The Advent. It is a continuation of many OVAs created for the Berserk franchise. After leaving the Band of the Hawk in order to forge his own faith, Guts returned only to see things have completely changed. Now branded as traitors, they go out of their way to save their leader Griffith. But due to immense torture, a far darker man came out and their lives are changed forever as a result. A true testament to the dark legacy of Berserk. On the 8th number, the anime is Shinseki Yori, known as From the New World in English. This A1 Pictures anime is about Saka Watanabe, whose psychic abilities have just manifested. Reunited with his friends in Sage Academy, she begins to feel uncomfortable when she begins to question what happened to those that don't manifest their power. Shinseki Yori is a coming of age story about the roles that they all play. A unique show for anyone who is interested in magic and horror. On the 7th number, the anime is Mononoke. Mononoke is the story about medicine sailor who travels all over Japan in order to stop a series of spirits respectively called Momonoke. During one of his travels, he stayed at an inn. Meeting a woman named Shino, he later figures out that her room is infested with Mononoke and it's up to him to figure out that thing. Mononoke was well received overall and has gained 8.42 on my anime list. On the 6th number, the anime is Parasite the Magazine. This is one of my favorite animes of all time, and this anime has rating of 8.42 on my anime list. The anime adaptation to one of the best horror mangas. It follows Shinichi Izumi as he falls victims to parasites, aliens from another world. Fortunately, it only affects his right hand. Striking a deal with the parasite, they have to coexist together in the Izumi Shinichi's body as they fight against other parasite monsters, attempting to survive as a result. The series is a beloved anime for any fans and newcomers alike. On the 5th number, the anime is Hellsing Ultimate, the second anime adaptation of Hellsing manga. Alucard, formerly known as Dracula, who fights against monstrous beings under Intergra Hellsing. The series is incredibly monstrous with the plenty of monstrous takes of all the characters. Things get even more complicated as the series continues forward, combines with the strong animation by Madhouse and one of the best horror animes. On the 4th number, the anime is Perfect Blue, the classic psychological horror directed by Satoshi Kon. It focuses on former pop idol turned actor Mima Kirigoe. The story focuses on her struggles and stress with both of her new roles as well as the dealing with fans that don't accept her new changes. From dealing with a stalker to learning a new development in her life, Perfect Blue is an exciting thriller that will entirely focus on psychological aspect of human beings. In this anime, you will feel how the depression actually feels inside the human mind when they encounter those things and see those things that they might not expect. On the 3rd number, the anime is Berserk. Again Berserk, but this is the first anime adaptation of Berserk manga. It follows the Black Swordman named Guts who gets recruited into a band of the Hawk. Over the course of the anime, Guts slowly gets his worldview changed. But just like its manga counterpart, Berserk is a horrific and brutal dark fantasy about finding one's path, while also dealing with tragedies that only gets worse from there. On the second number, the anime is The Promised Neverland, an anime adaptation of the manga of the same name. It follows orphans Ima, Rei, and Norman. After learning about origin and meaning behind their birth, they plan out a way to escape from the orphanage. Many things are enjoyed by The Promised Neverland, from the suspense all the way to the horror elements. The first season of the anime focuses on the first 4 volumes of the manga, which was well received by fans on MyAnimeList. With 12 episodes in total, the anime series is a solid psychological thriller that fits the expectations of those who love the manga. On the first number, as always, the anime is Monster. Monster is the work created by legendary Magato Naoki Urasawa, following the same steps as the manga. Monster is a story about Dr. Kenzo Tenma, who had to make a drastic choice between saving a child and saving a mayor. Deciding to choose the former, it has only led to consequences not expected from Tenma. The anime has thankfully maintained what was so loved by the original manga. With the thrills and the art style of Urasawa being thankfully recreated, the show ended up getting around 74 episodes overall. An incredibly solid show for those who love detective animes and psychological horror anime. So yeah, that was it guys. This was the list about top 10 best horror animes according to MyAnimeList. If you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment down below which is your favorite horror animes, and if you would like to suggest some horror animes to other people, then leave the anime names in the comment section down below too, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, news, theories, and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.